Are you constantly second-guessing your cleaning business pricing and wishing you could charge more? And does this describe your cleaning business? You show up, you work your tail off, you deliver amazing results, but your bank account balance still isn't where you want it. You constantly question whether you're charging too little or too much. And you know if you charge too little, you'll burn out. You also know that if you charge too much, clients will ghost you. Well, if any of that describes you and your cleaning business, you are not alone. And we're gonna fix it in this video. And if after watching, you wanna learn how to work with me directly, then click the link below this video. But for now, let's get to work by fixing your pricing and build a way more profitable cleaning business. For starters, here's what most cleaning business owners don't realize. Pricing is the #1 reason cleaning businesses stay stuck. It's not your marketing, it's not your hiring, it's your pricing. And why is this true? Because pricing touches every part of your business. It touches your profits, your ability to grow, your ability to hire great team members, and it touches your sanity and quality of life. When your prices are too low, you can't afford to hire good help, you can't invest in more marketing, and you can't take time off without the whole thing falling apart. But when your prices are too high or simply not packaged correctly, leads dry up. People ghost you. And this is when the self-doubt creeps in. Then we freeze up. We try to be nice. We apologize for our rates, and we end up broke. So here's a truth I need you to understand. An effective pricing strategy isn't about being the cheapest. It's about positioning yourself as the best choice for your ideal clients, and then charging accordingly. So how do you actually do that? Well, here is a very simple framework to follow to price for profit, for growth, and for peace of mind. Step number 1, stop taking your pricing personally. This is where most cleaning business owners completely mess up. They think things like this: would I pay this much for cleaning? Or will they think I'm greedy for charging this much? But here's what you need to understand. That mindset destroys cleaning businesses. You are not your customer, and your prices are a business strategy, not a personal reflection of your worth. And as I said earlier, your prices touch everything in your business. To illustrate that, think of your prices like the foundation of a house. What happens when a house gets built on a foundation with a crack in it? The whole house becomes compromised. So if your pricing strategy is flawed, your whole business becomes compromised. And the higher you build your house or business, the more those flaws become apparent. So instead of asking, would I pay this much for cleaning? Ask this instead. What would it take for me to pay this much for cleaning? What problems would the cleaning business have to solve for me? How easy would they have to be to work with? How much would I have to trust them? When you can answer those questions, charging more for cleaning, like a lot more, becomes way easier. Step number 2, know your numbers. This one isn't sexy, but it is crucial. If you don't know exactly how much it costs you to clean a house or office, then you're flying blind. And not knowing this information only makes figuring out your pricing even more of a guessing game. So things like labor, supplies, drive time, insurance, marketing. Do you know what those numbers are in your business? If you do, then great. You're one step closer to dialing in your pricing. But if you don't, your pricing just becomes a bunch of scared guesses. So take a few hours this week and run the numbers. What's your hourly rate after expenses? What's your break-even point? What does it actually take to pay yourself and grow your business? Once you know those numbers, pricing becomes simple. You're no longer guessing, you're calculating. And you can calculate your way right to the business of your dreams. And an added bonus, knowing your actual numbers will give you a huge boost of confidence. Step number 3, build custom solutions, not cookie cutter pricing. This is a game changer. Instead of slapping clients with a one-size-fits-all price sheet, take a more custom approach. Ask good questions during your walkthrough. Learn what they actually need. What problems are they trying to solve by hiring you? Then create a custom solution that fits their space, their needs, and their lifestyle. And in commercial cleaning, one that fits their budget. This is how you stand out from 90% of your competition. You're not just a cleaner showing up with a mop. You're a professional business offering a custom experience. And when people feel like the service was designed specifically for them, they are way more likely to pay premium prices. And here's a practical way to implement that. During your next walkthrough, say something like this: since every property is different, I'm going to build a custom cleaning plan that fits your space, your needs, and your budget. That one sentence builds trust and positions you as the expert, instead of just another cheap cleaning business trying to win on price. And building custom solutions is exactly how our coaching student Jan here landed 3 new residential clients in a single day, totaling $1,260. To learn how to get these results in your cleaning business, click the link below after we wrap up this video. Step number 4, practice saying your price with confidence. Okay, so this is a big one, but pricing isn't just math, it's communication. You could have the perfect price, but if you sound unsure when you say it, people will smell your fear. And they'll either negotiate you down or they'll walk away completely. So here's a little script to try. For this type of clean, your total is blank, and that includes everything we discussed. Then stop talking. Don't justify it. Don't explain it. Don't apologize for it. Let the silence do the work. When you sound good saying it, you'd be amazed at how many people will simply reply, "Let's do it." Remember, you're running a business and your pricing reflects the value you deliver. And when you believe in that value, your clients will too. And step number 5, expect some no's and be okay with it. If everyone is saying yes to your prices, then you're too cheap. You should be getting some pushback. That means you're priced for profit, not poverty. But please remember, a no is not personal. It's just data. It tells you where that client is at and what kind of cleaning business they're looking for. You're not for everyone, and that's okay. You don't need to be. You just need to be priced right for the clients you do want. The ones who respect your business. Those are your people. And when you price correctly, you attract them naturally. Like Catherine here, who after getting our personal help with a commercial bid, sent a client even higher pricing, which the client accepted. This is exactly what happens over and over again when you follow the frameworks in this video. So to recap, fixing your pricing struggles comes down to 5 things. Stop taking it personally. Know your numbers. Build custom solutions. Practice confident communication and expect some no's. Building a profitable cleaning business starts with pricing that reflects your value, not your fear. And when you get this right, everything changes. Your income goes up, your stress goes down, and you finally feel in control of your business. You're not just cleaning spaces, you're creating peace of mind, you're solving problems, you're giving people their time back, and that is incredibly valuable. But if you're still not 100% clear on how to price your services, or you feel like you're undercharging and you don't know how to fix it without losing clients, then I want to help you. And inside my coaching program, I personally work with business owners just like you every day. I'll show you how to confidently sell your cleaning services at much higher prices, how to attract the right clients, how to finally feel in control, and so much more. Click the link below to learn the next steps. And let's keep building what you want together.